Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to configure public IP address on router. Begin by accessing your router's admin panel through its local IP and logging in with your credentials. Locate the WAN or Internet settings, note the current IP mode, and decide between static or dynamic addressing. Apply changes, save the configuration, and reboot your router if required. Test reachability using ping and online IP checkers to confirm your public IP is active. When deciding between static and dynamic public IPs, think about what you need for access and hosting. Static addresses avoid surprises and keep services reachable without extra tools. Dynamic IPs are fine for general browsing and can use dynamic DNS to map a hostname to a changing address. If you need fixed access, contact your ISP to provision a static IP and confirm any additional fees or setup steps. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: I use solid leak-proof containers for lunch and transport, which keep things neat while I work on routers. They save spills and free up time for tinkering with networking tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. NAT is how your router shares a single public IP across many devices, and port forwarding lets external requests reach specific internal devices. Identify the local device, assign a static LAN IP for it, then create a port forward rule on the router for the needed TCP or UDP port. Test the rule from outside your network and monitor logs to ensure traffic arrives safely and as expected on the intended device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.